Most people think wealth is something you can see. They're about to find out they've been looking in the wrong place.
Meet Ethan. Great salary, luxury SUV, and a lifestyle that makes everyone believe he's already successful.
But behind the scenes, every month ends with stress, unpaid balances, and silent financial anxiety.
Now meet Daniel. Same age, similar income, completely different financial future.
Instead of upgrading his lifestyle, Daniel quietly builds investments. They grow while he sleeps. One spends money to impress people. The other lets money work for him. Every advertisement tells you that success should be visible. Social media constantly convinces us that expensive living equals real success. But there are always two choices: impress people today or build freedom for tomorrow.
The decision looks small today, but over the next 20 years, it changes everything.
Your paycheck isn't what makes you wealthy. What you keep is what changes your future.
Financial discipline isn't saying no forever. It's knowing when not now creates something much bigger.
Small investments repeated consistently become surprisingly powerful over time. One person upgrades lifestyle. The other upgrades net worth.
Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving every dollar a purpose.
Debt grows by charging you interest. Investments grow by paying you interest.
Comparison steals more wealth than low income ever could. Wealth grows exactly like this, slowly, quietly, and almost invisibly.
The richest future isn't built by looking successful today. It's built by making smart decisions nobody notices.
Every expensive purchase has a hidden price: your future freedom.
Wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built every payday.
Simple moments often bring more happiness than expensive ones.
Things lose value. Great investments have the chance to gain value. Knowledge often creates more wealth than a higher paycheck.
Every dollar saved today becomes an employee working for your future.
Not buying something can sometimes be your best financial investment.
Emergency savings don't make life exciting, they make life less stressful. Compounding rewards patience far more than speed.
The quieter your financial decisions are today, the louder your future success becomes.
Real wealth grows quietly while you're living your everyday life.
Financial freedom means problems become inconveniences, not disasters.
Money can't remove every problem, but it can remove many unnecessary ones. The greatest luxury isn't owning more, it's worrying less. Time is the most powerful partner an investor will ever have. Wealth gives you the ability to help others without hurting yourself. The less you compare your life, the faster you build your own. Peace of mind is one of the highest returns money can ever provide.
Years pass whether you invest or not. The question is, what your money does while time moves.
The goal was never to look rich. The goal was always to become free.
Consistency beats excitement almost every single time.
Every time you invest in knowledge, you increase your future earning power.
Real wealth isn't about buying more for yourself. It's about being able to support the people you love.
When you're financially secure, every decision becomes a choice, not a necessity.
Your money should become more productive as you grow older.
The greatest luxury isn't expensive possessions, it's peace of mind. Wealth means having more time for what truly matters. Looking rich impresses people for a moment. Financial freedom changes your entire life.
Years of patience finally begin to show results that most people never imagined.
Time rewards those who stay consistent, even when progress feels invisible.
The greatest feeling isn't buying expensive things. It's knowing you always have options.
Real success is waking up without financial fear.
Money matters because it gives you more moments like these. Every investment is really an investment in your future freedom.
It doesn't matter what you drive, if it's taking you toward the life you truly want.
The biggest transformation wasn't in his bank account, it was in his mindset.
Wealth is built quietly, one smart decision at a time. Remember, anyone can look wealthy for a day, but those who build real wealth can enjoy freedom for a lifetime.